Hello everyone. Well, what we have here is a 2013 Mercedes gl350 with the 3.0 liter diesel motor, and what I'm going to show you is the noise the timing chain is making. So I'm going to replace the timing chain, and might as well, I'm going to be doing the oil cooler and a few other things. So I want you to hear that noise, and then I'll make another video on replacing water pump, timing belt, timing chain, and accessories. So here's a noise. Yeah, so if your car's making that noise, go ahead and check your timing chain, see if it's been stretched, or timing chain tensioner, and decide for yourself if it needs to be replaced or not. But that's pretty much how it sounds. Alright, so see you in the next video.